Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of our door tutorial. In today's episode we're going to be looking at sliding doors. So last time we had our E to open, and this was the one we made, which does exactly the same. In today's lesson we're going to be looking at sliding doors, okay? But not just that it slides open, that if you walk away it slides as well, but you can also do it that it slides back open again when you come the other way. It doesn't look as fancy with my lovely cottage door there, but obviously if you imagine that with a sci-fi door, you can make it go up, left, right, whichever way you want, and it'll do it within a couple of seconds for you. You can make it faster as well. It's all dependent on what you need, but hopefully within today's lesson you'll learn enough that you'll be able to tweak things to your liking. So let's come out of that. So just like the last episode, I'm going to create a new blueprint class and an actor. I'm going to call this slide door underscore blueprint. Open her up and add the same two components. So you want your static mesh and you want your box collision. There we go. Obviously open up our lovely cottage door. Here he is. We will move that. Again, you can create yourself whatever fancy door you want. You can have some epic, really high detailed sci-fi door. It literally doesn't matter. You create what you want to create in Blender or ZBrush or whatever it is you're going to use. As long as it comes through to Unreal, fine, and you can add it as a static mesh, then you are good to go. So we've done exactly what we've done with that E-door. It's all set up pretty much exactly the same to this point, okay? Compile. Open up your event graph. Get rid of all these. We never use them. Just get rid of them. Well, we do use them, but just not for these types of tutorials. Box. Begin and end again. Okay, we want both of them. We want to cast to first, because we're using I keep forgetting, I always use a third person controller, but because I'm using a first, it's throwing me off the curve a bit there. Other actor as well, just whack that in there. Copy and paste. Copy and paste. And whack that. Ooh, God, I'm getting a bit too speedy. Whack that in like that. There we go. Okay. And then we just want a timeline. We use this in the last one to make the door move backwards. Oh God. Oh, what is happening? There we go. And then you want to add that one into the reverse, okay? It's a little bit different because we're not using any buttons. We're just literally using the character itself. So it does act a bit different. Now, last time we used a float track. That was because we wanted it literally just to do the opening motion without any messing about. But this time we want to use a vector track. Close off the X and the Z so we don't accidentally use them. Right click, add a key to X, put the time to 0 and the value to 0. You'll see the difference it'll make not knowing where the location of the door is this time. But we also want to change this to 2. But you'll see what I mean in a minute. Add another key, make sure that's at 2 seconds. No, we'll leave it 2 seconds for now. Value is going to be 120, I think. I worked out that door for last time. There we go, and that's 120. Just allows your player to fit through with its collision box and all that. You can make your doors bigger as well and things like that, so you have plenty of room. It really doesn't matter, but my doors literally just allow my player in. So that should be fine as we've compiled. Yep. Then what we want to do is get relative. Set relative. Oh my word. Relative location, and then we want to click on static mesh because that's what we were trying to change. Whack in the new track. I mean, you could name it. I should have named it really, but whack that into your new location, and you should, in theory, be good to go. Really simple, really quick, easy way to make your doors open. I mean, single player is always going to be slightly easier, but let's bring it into the world and show you it working. Let's just move them over there and bring our door out. sure he's lined up somewhat correctly. There we go. Okay. And then just come on over, and there he opens. He goes into the wall for you, nice and easy. You go in, and there he is. Right now, as this was a really nice, quick, easy tutorial, there's one thing I'm going to show you that you could do so if you were creating a sci-fi game, for example, and you wanted the player to enter an area but not be able to leave it until they've done something else, what you can do is if you reopen up your slide tutorial blueprint, go to your viewport and grab hold of your box. Here he is. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller just for this tutorial, but then just bring it to the point of the door. Yeah, compile, go back in and oh, wrong side of the door, never mind, we're there, other side I guess. Right, so bring it to that side of the door, compile, yeah, enter, and then what's going to happen is your player's going to come in. He's going to go, oh great, new area to explore. He's going to come out and he's going to go, oh my god, this looks crazy, I'm going to go back, and then he's stuck. Yeah, and he has to find another way around or whatever. But or find, maybe you could set it up that you have two trigger boxes. One's affected with a key card, and the other one's affected with just entering. It's purely down to what you want it to do. But there's just some ideas there just to influence your game a bit further. But there we go. So you've got sliding doors now, and you've got doors with E. I think the next one we'll look at is we'll look at doors with a button, maybe. Yeah, I think that's probably a good shout. Doors with a button, and then we'll use that kind of buttony keyboard thing to have a key card. So yeah, there we go, guys. If you've enjoyed this, please give it a like, and obviously if you have enjoyed my videos, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to see anything else, any other tutorials, please leave a comment and I'll be more than happy to cover them. But thank you so much, guys. Take care. Bye.